Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a Google Map element onto our Wix Harmony site. So go to the Add button on the top left and go to Elements. Here, hover over the More Options icon so that this will appear, and then look for Form and Contact. Here, make sure that you go to the Google Maps tab and then drag and drop the Google Maps element onto the space you've prepared to put it, and position it properly. Great, now we've added it. Now it's time to add our location. So to do so, click on your map element and go to Manage Locations on the action bar above. On this window, make sure that you input your address right here. You can also add a title to it. Also, you can add a description or add a link to it, but these are optional, so it's up to you whether or not you want to add a description or a link. So that is how to add an address. And if you'd ever like to add another address to feature, you can just click on Add Another and do the same thing. So input the address of the next location that you wish to feature on your maps element. Once again, you can add a name, description, and add a link. And once you're done, you can simply close this small window now, and your changes will automatically be saved within the Wix Harmony Editor. And there you have it. Hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.